Recently, our second graders presented their annual program with a little French flair. Here's a part of that presentation.
Bonsoir. Thank you for flying Air France. Our flight is scheduled to arrive on time.
Please secure all loose items and buckle your seatbelts. And again, thank you for flying Air France. Would you please join us standing and saying the Pledge of Allegiance to the American flag and praying the Lord's Prayer together? I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Our Father, which art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Thy is the kingdom, the power, and the glory forever. Amen. Merci. You may be seated. We would like to share with you some of what we have been learning in second grade. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Feel free to capture Kodak moments.
Our days get a great start with Bible class. First thing, we memorize scriptures and sing songs that teach Bible truths so that we can share them with others.